Hello, guys. Today I'm gonna share a very important accomplishment that I did today. I'm very proud of myself. You know why? Okay, so this is my workshop today. I after work, so I came from work 5 p.m. So I just finished around 7:30 p.m. And this is what I did. Okay, look at this. This is the bumper of my Honda CRB. So what I did is install an aluminum mesh net at the back of my bumper. And I'm really glad I did it because it looks so clean. It looks so clean. Look at that. Unlike before, this is my temporary net before. And I place it here like that. And it looks really ugly, especially when the bugs are already attached on it. So this is plastic, and this one is an aluminum, coated aluminum mesh net. It's called the coarse automotive mesh net. So the reason why I installed this mesh net is because of um, the driving hazard of bugs. Look at that. When you live in remote places in Manitoba, like we do, we live in Asher and we're 2 hours away from Winnipeg. Every time we travel to Winnipeg or other further places, like we've just been to Saskatchewan and we drove. I have driven around 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, and this is all the bugs, dead bugs that accumulated in my bumper. So what the bug does is when it bump into your radiator system at the back of this net, it creates you know tiny dents in the cooling system of the radiator, and later on it will create a huge problem with your radiator. If you're living in the city and you do only like short trips, that's no problem. But in our case, we always do long trips, so we hit a lot of huge bugs like dragonflies, bees, and other like moths, something like that. And since these bugs um, blood or secretions are acidic in nature, so it will really affect the radiator system of the car. So yeah, I'm really happy with the result of my work because yeah, it's sturdy and it looks clean. And I have inquired in our local auto body shop here in Asher, and I think they will charge me around 200 plus dollars because the hourly basis is around 100, and it took me around 2 point something hour to finish everything. So I unclip all the this, I unclip all this and put down the bumper in order for me to install the mesh around the bumper to make it looks clean. And I did it all because of the YouTube Academy. And I'm so proud of myself because I did it. I saved $200, and yeah, it feels great to accomplish something you have never done before. So I put back everything in place, and I think it's good. So yeah, this is my tip to everyone who's living in remote places. It will really help minimize the damage of the bugs during summer season here in Canada, especially in Manitoba. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple tip. from my car care tips. All right, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.